This is exercise 4.3. Okay, I'm going to solve the rest of them. Fine. Meanwhile, Garvit, you also do. You send me ये वाला जो RS का जो exercise का problem मतलब फोटो है वो भेज दो मुझे, ठीक है?
सर कौन सा वाले का? वर्ड प्रॉब्लम का, राइट?
वर्ड प्रॉब्लम वाला तो भेज दिया था, वो तो नहीं चाहिए.
ओके
वाला है नेचर ऑफ फ्रूट्स वाला एक होगा, वो चाहिए, ठीक है?
ओके सर.
Okay, so exercise 4.3, question number 3. Suhani, read this question and tell me how do you interpret it?
So,
Yeah. Jivitesh, you read. Okay, ठीक है, Suhani is back.
Sir, the question is that is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and its area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and the breadth.
Okay, so how do you interpret this?
Sir, so in this case, we can keep the breadth as x. So length will be twice its breadth, that is 2x. Sir, as area is 800 meters square and also area is length into breadth, so length is 2x into x, which will be 2x square. And so x square will be 400 and x will be 20.
So like the plus minus 20. Because length can't be negative, therefore it is plus 20. Okay. As bread.
So small question, isn't this 2.4? 4.4, sorry.
This is NCERT, new NCERT 4.3. Okay.
NCERT 4.4.
As bread can't be x is equal to plus 20. Okay. So on the next one, fourth. अच्छा, listen. There is one very important thing we are missing. क्वेश्चन में पूछा नहीं है फाइंड द लेंथ. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? नहीं पूछा है, बट एक इंपॉर्टेंट आंसर नहीं किया है. क्या? इज इट पॉसिबल? तो ये लिखना वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. यस इट इज पॉसिबल. ओके, ये नहीं.
So we need to like
जो I'll repeat the concept again. Always whatever is asked in the question, at least you have to write that. Extra apart from that, you are free to write. तुमको जो लिखना है लिखो. But जो पूछा है, yes it is possible. If so, how much? If so, then ये दोनों आंसर मिलने चाहिए एग्जामिनर को आंसर शीट में. Okay.
So, but over here you're assuming that it's possible, and then you're saying yes, it's possible.
तो इसका roots आ गया ना?
So
your doubt is correct. Actually, we should have written it like this: that you should have written x square minus 400 is equal to 0, right?
yeah.
And then you should have written a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 400. And then you should have written b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0 minus 4 times 1 into minus 400, which is equal to plus 1600, which is greater than 0. Therefore, yes, it is possible. Therefore, real root exists. Real roots exist. Please write it, okay, everyone. This is, he pointed out correctly. Real roots exist. Therefore, yes, it is possible.
so do we really need to show all these by quadratic formula?
Yes. इस क्वेश्चन जो ब्लू बॉक्स है वो है इसका आंसर. ठीक है, एडिट कर लो, ये आंसर है. ठीक है, and after that then you can write, because the roots are x equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, it is equal to minus b 0 plus minus under root of 1600, right, by 2 times 1. So it is root 40 plus minus 40 by 2, which is plus minus 20. Okay, so write it like the blue one. Good thing you pointed out. And Shivansh, at the end of the class, you remind me, I'll clear your doubts of the paper which I sent you.
Right, yes.
हो गया?
Sir, I sent those images of like RS Agarwal.
ठीक है. Now next is question number 4. Yes, Suhani.
Yes, sir. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years, and 4 years ago, the product of the ages in years was 48.
Hmm.
So, sir, like if we let one friend's age be X, so other's friend's age be Y, so then X plus Y is then X plus Y is 20, and 4 years ago, so it would be 4 minus like 4 black 4X
फिर से
Y.
फिर से बोलो.
So like the first equation we can make is X plus Y equals to 20, and the next equation, like 4 years ago, the product of the ages was 48. So we can multiply 4,
4.
like because it's 4 years ago.
Okay, so what should we write?
So we can write like 4 years ago. 4.
What is your age today?
Yes, sir.
What is your age today?
The 15,
What was your age 4 years ago?
11.
Let your age be today X.
Yes, sir.
What was your age 4 years ago?
So 4 minus X.
Okay. I'll go back and repeat. What is your age today?
So 15,
What is your age 4 years ago?
the 11.
Don't tell me 11. Tell me what you're doing.
Okay, so like 4 years ago, so like 15 minus 4.
Repeat करो. फिर से बोलो ये चीज.
So if the present age is X, so 4 years ago it would be 4 minus X.
नहीं 15 वाला X वाला नहीं 15 वाला.
Okay, so if like right now if the present age is 15, so 4 years ago it would be 11. So we get 11 by 15 minus 4.
So the 4 years ago your age was 15 minus 4. If today your age is 15, 4 years ago your age was
15 minus 4.
today your age is 16. It was 4 years ago it was
16 minus 4.
today your age is 20. 15 years ago it was 4 years ago it was
20 minus 4.
if today your age is X. 4 years ago it was
X minus 4.
not 4 minus X.
Okay, sir.
So 4 years ago X minus 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
X minus and Y minus 4.
okay.
And so if we multiply, we get it as 48. The product of the ages.
Yeah. Okay. Now
So from the first equation, we can substitute like we can get X and substitute that value in the second equation. So X would be 20 minus Y, and we can substitute in the second equation.
sorry. Okay. Instead substitute Y. Okay. You can do this, but it's better just for aesthetics that you substitute Y, not X. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Y कितना है? 20 minus X. Okay.
20 minus. Yes, sir.
क्या आएगा बताओ?
Yes, someone. So it would be one second. Like Y, so Y is 20 minus 8 minus 4. So we need to we get 20x minus x square. So like we can open that bracket, like we can multiply x minus 4 by from like by keeping the value of y, which is 20 minus x, in the place of y minus 4. So it would be 20 minus x minus 4. And then, so it would be 1 second. So sir, it would be x, so by all the vendors we will get that x square minus 20x um, uh, so plus 112.
हाँ ठीक है, फिर then we will check, right,
Yes sir.
solution. So we'll check solution by say check whether it has a solution. How do we check?
So we'll check by the formula like b square minus 4ac.
Okay, what is A, B, C?
So a is 1, b is minus 20, and c is 1112.
So
112.
yeah,
And then we'll substitute the values.
ये तो दिख रहा है ना, कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, अगर ये 112 की जगह 100 होता तो 0 होता ना,
Yes sir.
लेकिन ये 112 है, so ये नेगेटिव है ना नंबर,
Yes sir.
so it is negative, therefore समझ में आ गया ना सबको लॉजिक, कि अगर ये 100 होता 112 की जगह तो 400 माइनस 400 हो जाता, बट दिस इज 100 से ज्यादा, 112 है, सो नेगेटिव नंबर आएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? हेलो, एवरीवन हैज गॉट
Yes,
दिस?
sir.
Yes sir.
बट नेगेटिव नहीं होगा सॉल्व, नो नॉट पॉसिबल, लिख दो फिर नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके फाइन. और मैं तुमको लास्ट वाला फिफ्थ वाला बता देता हूँ. फिफ्थ, is it possible to design a perimeter 80 and area 400? तो perimeter 80 है मतलब xy, so 2 times x plus y is equal to 80, so x plus y is equal to 40 and area कितना बोल रहा है 400. okay, so xy is equal to 400, so y is equal to 40 minus x. Here from here you'll get y is equal to 40 minus x, and you put that here, you get x times of 40 minus x is equal to 400, so you'll get x minus x square plus 40x equal to 400. So x square उधर लेके जाओ, minus 40x minus plus 400 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40, and c is equal to 400. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 40 square minus 4 into 400. minus 40 का 1600 minus 1600, ये तो हो गया 0 आ गया, मतलब है इसका सोल्यूशन है, एक सोल्यूशन है इसका. ओके, एग्जैक्टली 0 आ गया तो एक सोल्यूशन है. ठीक, इसका एक्चुअली आंसर है 2020 है. द लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ बोथ है 20. ओके, तो इक्वल सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं, जब एक ही होता है तो दोनों सेम होते हैं. फाइन. तब एक काम करो तुम लोग ना,